Now go ahead, chef and super chef. Now go ahead, chef and super chef. Now go ahead, chef and super chef.
Welcome back to another episode of Super Chef, you feel me? In this episode, I'm gonna teach y'all how to make fried Oreos. Let's get it. Alright, so first you wanna freeze your Oreos. So like when you put it in your batter, it doesn't break apart. I freeze my shit for like a couple hours, so it's like solid. You feel me? So yeah. And so next step is you get a big bowl. You're gonna put all your ingredients in here. You're gonna make your own batter. You feel me? So here are the ingredients: 1 cup of flour, a teaspoon of fucking baking powder, tablespoon of sugar, 3 teaspoons equals to 1 tablespoon. So like just add it like 3 times. You know what I mean? 1, 2, 3. You add a dash of salt. You feel me? After that, you should start mixing it. 1 large egg, a cup of milk. After that, you want to let the oil heat a little bit into the pan and shit. Alright, so my grease been heating up for a little bit, so now I'm gonna add my Oreos in it. Alright, so you flip it on each side for like, you cook it for like a minute on each side, and then it should be done after that. I kind of messed up on the batter on mine. Like it's not even, but we'll see how it tastes though after this. Nah, it's fucking bust. I'm not even gonna hold you. This shit smack. Alright, man. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, you feel me? All that.
Chef, now go ahead, chef and super chef. Now go ahead, chef and super chef. Now go ahead, chef and super chef.